Welcome to qnawire.
So we are told about a figure at various stage of titration of weak acid HA with sodium hydroxide. So we're going to form Na plus H2O. So we are told that the sodium and water molecule are omitted for clarity to which the following region of the. So the question asks, so which of the following region of the titration curve does each drawing correspond? The first one is before addition of NaOH. Before addition of NaOH. If we look at the figure, before addition of NaOH, it should be the one without the OH minus. And that is going to be only HA will be present. So we have to look for the figure that has only HA present. So that is picture 3. Picture 3. Okay. Then the next question said, after addition of NaOH, but before equivalence point. After NaOH addition, before equivalence point. So it's going to be picture 2. Let's see. So if you're adding the NaOH, the NaOH will be neutralized to produce, let me just write it out here. So you have HA and you're adding NaOH. So you should form A minus, because we're told in this question that the sodium ion and water molecule are ignored with some, because this is before the equivalence point, with some HA. So we have to look for the figure that has the A minus and HA present. So that's the green ball and the green ball fused to the white ball. So which of the figures? So that is the diagram 1 or the picture 1. Then C said at equivalence point. So at equivalence point, we have HA equal amounts with NaOH equal amounts, and we will form A minus and water. But because we ignore water, so we have to look for the box that contain only A minus, and that's going to be the diagram 4 or picture 4. Okay. Then the next question says, after the equivalence point. So after, that's E or D, after equivalence point, so after the equivalence point, we'll have excess of OH minus. So that's going to be picture 2. So we have excess OH minus and A minus. And it's only picture 2 that depicts that.